Hello, today we are going to show you how to enable Copilot in Business Central. This means that you can now be a lot more productive and get more work done inside your ERP just by chatting with Copilot. To start this, we log into our BC and we go up to here into our Admin Center. In the Admin Center, we'll choose our environment. You should do this to a sandbox first so you can check it. And in the environment, you'll be able to go to the upgrade section here and enable it to start today so that you can kick it off straight away. When it's complete, you'll be finished with version 25.4. Once 25.4 is underway and you come back to your environments and you can see it's now up at 25.4, I come back into Business Central and I access feature management to turn it on. So I just search for feature management and I open up feature management. And you'll see here I've got lots of different features that we should make sure that we review and enable, but today we're talking about Copilot. So here we are, chat with Copilot. I can click on the link to learn more, or I can just come and enable it for all users. Once it's now enabled, you can restart the session. And when you log back into BC, you'll see that there's a new icon up here, up in the toolbar for Copilot. When you're in here, you'll now be able to use Copilot to chat with your ERP data, and it'll help you find what you're looking for. So we can either find information, we can either explain and guide and help me understand how to do something, or we can ask for an answer. Now, if you're not quite sure what to ask for, you can use the view prompts down the bottom and you can get some suggestions. So when I'm trying to find data, I might want to look up a certain invoice or show the latest sales invoices for a customer, or group vendors by a certain field, or go to a certain page directly. Alternatively, we can actually ask, how do I do a task? For example, how do I do a GST statement? Alternatively, you can just ask for things like, how can Copilot help me here, or what else can it do? So let's have a look at some of the prompts. Let's go up to here and we're going to view prompts and we're going to find, I'm going to go vendors by country, group vendors by country. Then BC and Copilot will go away and work on what it's doing. And then eventually, it'll actually just show us what we're looking for. In this particular case, it's shown me the vendors by country region and enables me to open up the vendor page directly or open up the analysis that it's created. So you can see it's preparing the analysis based on what I've asked it for. And you can see I've done it before just to check that it worked. Once I've done that, I can keep it and then I can add more columns. For example, how much do I have due per country? Anyway, this is just a quick introduction to show you how to enable Copilot for BC so that you can get things done faster.